In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 things that you need to consider before choosing a niche, right? So all you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end.
Join Growbita family today. Grow your social media platforms and make money online.
You're welcome to Grow Better, and this channel will teach people how to grow their social media platform and also how to make money online. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Azimi and I would like you to subscribe to this channel so that anytime I post amazing video like this one you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to see the video. When you want to start creating content, the first thing that you hear YouTubers say is that you should choose a niche, right? A lot of people don't actually understand what choosing a niche is all about, right? Choosing a niche actually means like choosing a particular thing or topic that you will be talking about in your videos, right? So to me, I see choosing a niche as a purpose, right? Having a purpose, when you're creating a channel, you need to have a purpose. What am I going to be doing in that channel? Right? You are not supposed to be posting different things. You're supposed to actually have a particular thing that you want to be posting in that channel. Like in this channel, what I do here is that I teach you people how to grow and build your social media platform and also how to make money from those social media platforms, right? So if you are new in content creation, right, you need to understand what it actually means to choose a niche, right? And in this video, I'm going to be sharing like 5 things you need to consider before choosing a niche, right? So number one thing you need to consider is passion, right? What are you passionate about, and what do you really enjoy talking about? It's important for you to understand what you're passionate about. The kind of thing that when you are talking about it, you enjoy it a lot. So something that when you start, even without the pay, you can actually still keep on doing that. So a lot of people don't actually understand all this. They feel like, yeah, I'm going into YouTube for me to make money, understand, and they will just go and choose a niche that which they believe that it pays more, right? When you have passion about something, even when the money is not coming, you will keep on doing it, because as a beginner on YouTube or on Facebook, a content creator that is just starting, right, there are so many challenges you are going to be facing, right? It's not easy. So most times you might have a high hope, and at the end of the day, what you were expecting, you might not achieve that, right, on time. So you need to understand what is it that you are passionate about. For example, like somebody like me, starting from when I was in secondary school, I love teaching. I didn't just start teaching because I saw a lot of people on YouTube teaching, and these guys are making money teaching on YouTube, right? I started teaching while I was still in secondary school, like after class, my fellow students always like gathering me, for more insight, and I used to explain it and break it down for them. From that, then I started loving teaching. I started YouTube in 2019, and actually I didn't start with teaching. I started with entertainment blogging, and that's because I enjoy blogging and I enjoy entertainment. I'm an artist who love music, and I know a lot of things in the music industry, right? So because of that, I have passion in music and music industry. I decided to share news about the things that is happening in the industry, right? So that passion is what kept me going. Even when I started that blog, I wasn't really getting views, and before you know it, I started making views, and before you know it, the money start coming. So you need to understand the thing that you're passionate about before choosing your niche, right? So that's the number one thing, and it is very, very important. So number two thing you need to consider is experience, right? When you go out there teaching people about the things that you have much experience in, you'll be more confident talking about that, right? It's very, very important. Like I said earlier, that when I started YouTube, I went into entertainment gist because like I have so many experience in the music industry, because I'm an artist who always look into and make research on what is happening in the industry, right? And also, let's come to this particular channel where I'm teaching you guys how to build social media platform and also how to make money with it, right? I've been on YouTube over the years since 2019, and I've been creating content since 2019, and I've gathered so many experiences, and those experiences are the things I'm sharing with you guys. I've been a social media manager for so many companies, and I understand how Facebook, TikTok, and all these things work. So when I start here teaching you guys about all these things, I'm confident because I have so many experience in this field. And that's why when I sit here, even without rehearsing or scripting my videos, I already know what to say to you guys. Actually, I don't really script my video. I just sit here and spit out the things that I already know, the things that I already have experience in, right? So when you go into something that you have much experience in, the confidence will be much. and it will help to keep you because it will make you stand out and make you unique, and like a lot of people are actually creating content and there is no need to go into that you will not see competition. But when you are confident and you are unique, you see that a lot of people, even after watching the same video in another channel, when they watch your own, they will see that your own, you explain things very well, because of the experience you have in that field. They will follow you because they want more of that. You understand? So it's very, very important for you to understand what is it that I have so much experience in, then go into that. Number three thing you need to consider is your targeted audience, right? It's important for you to understand your targeted audience. When you understand the thing you're passionate about and the thing that you have much experience in, the next thing you need to consider is your targeted audience. Understand? Because when you understand the kind of audience you are targeting, it will help you to create videos that will be reasonable to them, right? You need to make research to understand the kind of audience that you are going to be reaching out to know if it's a wide audience, then know the kind of video that will suit them, the kind of video they will understand. It's important for you to understand your audience very well, right? Like in this particular channel, I know the kind of people I'm making my content for. I'm making it for people who are aspiring to become a content creator, or people who are already creating content but still want to learn more about how things are working. I already know the kind of audience I'm making video for, and that's the reason why when you watch my video, you see that my videos are centered in that direction. So it's important for you to understand the kind of audience that you actually want to make video for, and when you understand them, it will be more easier for you to flow, and it will help algorithm to understand the kind of people that will have interest in your video, and it will help you to grow faster as well. So make sure that before you choose your niche, you also need to consider this and make research on the kind of audience that your video are for, then start creating content. Number 14 you need to consider before choosing a niche is the monetization opportunities. Forget about the part that I say that it's not all about the money, that you need to look for things that you are passionate about. In as much as you are looking for things that you are passionate about, 90% of people creating YouTube channel today are not really just creating it for fun. They are creating it because they want to make money, right? And I know most of you that is watching this video, you are creating a YouTube channel or you are creating a Facebook page that you want to create content on because you want to make money. It's very, very important that while choosing your niche, you need to consider the monetization opportunities. You don't just depend on only the revenue that YouTube pay you or the revenue that Facebook pay you, right? There are so many niche that you go into, and the only way for you to monetize that niche is only by YouTube revenue or Facebook revenue. While there are so many ways you can actually monetize your content, in this particular channel, I made over 5 million naira even before the channel was monetized by YouTube. And this is because I understand the monetization opportunity that is in this niche. Understand? So while going into a niche, you need to study to understand the monetization opportunities. There are so many ways you can actually make money on your channel or on your page. By affiliate marketing. You can also make money through digital sales, brand sponsorship, and many more. Right? You need to understand this niche that I'm going into. Is there other way I can actually make money aside from the revenue? Because I will tell you a story about myself. Right? Those channels that I started with, which is the entertainment stuff. The only way I actually make money from the channel is through revenue. And most cases, I have so many cases where YouTube demonetized my channel, and at the end of the day, what I did is to open another channel and start creating. But this particular channel, even if YouTube decide to demonetize it today, I'll still keep on making my content because I'm actually making money from this channel aside from the YouTube revenue. Even the YouTube revenue itself, I've not really made enough money, right? Even 90% of the money I'm making is outside the revenue. Right, so it's important for you to understand this, understand the monetization opportunities the niche have before going into it, right? Unless maybe you just want to make video for fun and you want your monetization to only depend on YouTube. Because what I'm trying to tell you is that most big YouTubers you see today, they are not making money only from YouTube revenue. A lot of them actually switch off YouTube revenue and keep on making their video because there are so many sources they make money, which most of them are from affiliate marketing and some brand endorsement. Some brand can actually walk up to you and say, oh, I want you to promote this our brand in your videos, and you charge them big money. A lot of people actually collect like up to $10,000 to $50,000 for just a brand advertisement in one video, right? Depending on the deal that you have with them, right? So it's important for you to understand this before choosing a niche. So finally, number 5 is competition and saturation, right? It's important before choosing a niche for you to make research to know if that particular niche is very, very, very competitive, right? But to me, I'm not afraid of competition. Why I need to share this to you guys about the competition aspect is that it's not everybody that believe in yourself the way I believe in myself. I'm not saying that you don't believe in yourself, but for me, I don't really care about the competition in any field I'm going into. There is no niche that you will actually go into that doesn't have competition. The only thing is that some niche have higher competition, while other ones you can actually navigate easily. What I will advise you is for you to be unique and be real, be you. Understand? When you are yourself and you are unique, right? You will see that people, no matter the kind of competition you are into, when people come across your video, they will follow you because of you. There are a lot of people making this kind of video there are a lot of people making this kind of content, and I don't care about the competition. I do my thing and I stand out. When you stand out, people have a reason to follow you. People have a reason to subscribe to your channel. You see so many tips about how to build your channel from 0 subscriber to 1,000 subscribers. There are so many videos, but if you watch up to 10 videos, you see that there are some videos that you find more interesting. That's because those guys actually stood out. They are unique. That's why you like them. So when you go into a particular niche which is very, very high, has wide competition, all you need to do is to find a way to stand out. Don't copy them. A lot of YouTubers copy themselves. When you keep copying other people and want to be like those people, there is no way you will surpass them. The only way you can beat them is by standing out and be you and do a unique thing. Do something that nobody has ever done. When you do that, you see that you have your own audience and your audience will be wider, right? You need to stand out. Do not be afraid of the competition, because there is no niche that you are going into now that doesn't have competition. A lot of people are going into content creation. Every day you see new people are creating new pages. Understand? And those people, you are not stopping them from making their own money. Everybody must have their own audience. But for you to grow and beat others, you need to be unique. You need to create a unique content. So do not be afraid of competition, but at the same time, you need to filter to know the niche that has lower competition. But if you can believe in yourself, you don't need to be afraid of competition. So guys, it's important for you to understand these 5 things I stated in this video before choosing a niche. When you get to understand it, you will see that you'll be able to navigate so many things. Like as a content creator who is actually starting, there are so many challenges ahead of you. Most times you might post video and you are expecting that video to blow up, and at the end of the day you end up getting like 10 views, 20 views. But when you consider all this before choosing your niche, it will keep you going. When you have passion for something, even when you are not getting paid, you still keep doing it. You keep talking about those things, right? And when you have experience about whatever you're doing, it will make you be more confident when you are putting them out, and also it will boost your hope and your belief, right? So if you're about to choose a niche, it's important for you to consider this and make a right choice and go out there and put out what you have. The most important thing is believing in yourself. You need to believe in yourself first before anyone else will believe in you, right? If you're putting out video there and you don't believe that the video will go viral, the video will not go viral. You first believe in yourself before anyone else. So thank you guys for watching this video from beginning to here. You guys are amazing. And if this is your first time in this channel, I will urge you to subscribe, because in this channel we share amazing content every day and you can't afford to miss them. And if you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say, "Thank you, Mazi, for sharing this," and I'll be glad to respond to your comment. And don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and learn from it as well. So see you guys in my next video.